Hello everybody, welcome back to another Roblox Twisted video with Wally, MM, or Skittle, whatever you like to call him. Today we're doing the challenge of me intercepting the tornado in the 2010 TIV2, and him following me and getting some good recording footage of me in the 2010 TIV2.
Yes.
And as you guys can see, we are in a frozen server of a high risk. That's an 18.5 high risk, but the storms are moving pretty fast. And there is already a tornado on the ground, so we have to go ahead and move over to that. That way I can get a good intercept, he can get probes down and get some good footage of me intercepting the tornado. Okay, so if I check, if we take the highway, we should be able to get in front of it.
Yup. Imagine if the glitch happens to me.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That way you can intercept that tornado with the footings in the ground.
I think I know how I did it. So I clicked
you held it down for a while and then let go, and then they phased into the ground. Because the footings are meant to lift you off the ground. That's why they go so far. But then they went into the ground, so... Alright, we have to take this... We have to take this exit here. Like, we have to take this exit up here, that way we can get in front of it. Because we don't have much time if these things are moving at 77 miles an hour, so... Shoot, it's a tree. Gotta go around it.
You're messing up. Almost got hit.
Yeah, I saw. We might be. There's a scout. Yeah, there's a scout. I see it. There's a UTAV and a scout over there.
Give me some nice filming of the
Alright, jeez, I feel like this wind field's gonna be massive.
Oof. Dang.
I might stop right here because it might shift towards me. Now I'm gonna go up a little bit.
The Doghouse is getting some good videos.
You're gonna want to go. You're gonna want to go. Go! Get out of here! Reverse! Turn around!
Yo, I'm gonna place my footings down.
to try it. I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens to you. Alright, side flaps are down. Front flap is down. Spikes are in.
My footings are down. Oh no.
Are they in the ground?
Oh no.
Alright, I am fully deployed. Are you not?
You'll probably guess what happened to me.
Your footings are in the ground?
No.
You're gonna get taken, oh no!
I survived.
130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180.
Oh
50,
no.
160.
Yep, I'm gone. I'm going for. Oh shoot.
140. What? No!
That was not a good way to start the video. Now I'm at Sylvia.
Rest in peace, bro. I'm sorry. Why are you in Sylvia?
Usually I spawn at Prior Lake.
Prior Lake, yeah. I am almost fully undeployed. This thing has a massive backside wind field.
Trying to see which road I can take. Probably just gonna take this one north. And then go east, west.
Alright. I have turned around. I'm going to try and go get another intercept in this tornado. And hopefully get some probes down.
I mean, I technically got an intercept.
But you died.
Well, I was sliding at first, so technically that still counted as an intercept. But then I got lifted, and that's when the intercept was not an intercept.
Oh, that's going through. That's gonna hit base. That's gonna hit our base.
Oh. No, it's gonna...
Wait, Kaiser joined.
Shift easternly, bruh. Shift easternly. Yo! You won't believe what just happened.
What?
The front of my doghouse got stuck into a sign.
Yo.
That's some bad driving.
Hold on, are you friends with Kaiser?
Yeah.
He just joined.
Oh, yeah, he did join.
That thing is violent! That's looking like... That's... Oh, God. I'm gonna get a LeBron Candace tornado intercepting this thing, bro. I swear. But instead of being in the 2013 TIV 2, which did not have the cinnamon... Which was not the cinnamon bun TIV 2. If nobody knows what the cinnamon bun TIV 2 is... The cinnamon bun TIV 2 is a tornado alley TIV 2.
Yes.
The cinnamon bun TIV 2. Oh God! I'm screwed!
Why is 260? Come on, Doghouse, do the glitch.
I'm getting error! I'm getting error! I'm getting error! Oh God. Oh God. 2010 TIV 2 is not gonna survive this tornado.
2010 Doghouse might.
Yeah, if you get the footing stuck in the ground, you are gonna survive.
Get the footing stuck, Doghouse. This is your time.
I'm trying to get in front of this thing as best as I can. There's so many black pixels! Well, there's 2 right now. I saw more, I thought, but...
Dang. Sylvia spawn
Look at the couplet! Look at the couplet!
I gotta take a right. I mean a left.
Oh God. It shifted. It shifted. That's perfect. It's what I needed.
What? P.S. He's black. What is that?
P.S. Yo, that's a good question. Why did they have to include he's black? I think we're gonna feel bad for bro.
I mean, it would have been the same. Oh.
Like, black and white lives are equal to each other. That doesn't make any difference. I'm getting 100 miles an hour! Drop down! Drop down! Drop down! I jumped out! I jumped out! No! Get in! Oh God, okay, I'm back in. I'm back in. I'm alive. Please! Deploy! Deploy! Side flaps are down.
Wait, why did I take this road?
Side flaps are down. Front flap is down. Spikes are going in.
There's 20 black pixels, by the way.
Uh-oh.
Let's get in there.
I'm fully deployed. One set. I saw 190. 200. Error. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm in the air. Oh my God. I was holding on strong for a second, then I got taken.
Guess what Doghouse said?
What?
R.I.P. the big TIV.
Alright, there's a new tornado that I'm gonna go try and intercept. If you want to try and get a probe on that one, go ahead, okay? Alright, time to go get in line for this new Actually, no. I'm perfect right where I am right now.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Prior Lake. 70 miles per hour. Mood. Trend. Prior Lake. Hipping. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available,
Alrighty.
shelter on the...
So, I'm in a good position for an intercept. on this new tornado. Oh no, it's I think I can't tell what that is.
I might take the highway.
I think it's a stovepipe. This thing better widen out. If not, I'm screwed. I'm gonna be mad.
These houses are still here. What is this place? Almora.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm is capable of producing strong to violent tornadoes. Take cover immediately if you're in the path of this storm.
Core 300. I might be able to catch it on the highway.
It's a red TVS already.
For real?
Yeah.
Is it a rope?
No, let's say
I can see the tail cloud from my location.
It's a stovepipe, I think.
I can. Okay. Oh, now I can see the tornado a little bit, but I can see the. Why is the tail cloud? Why is the tail cloud still here?
Doppler radar indicated a dangerous tornado on the ground near Prior Lake.
One of the trees are almost touching the tail cloud.
Locations impacted include Elma, Prior Lake.
Screw it, drop down here.
Oh, I need to take this exit right here. Ooh, off-road speed.
Probes are down. Probes are down. Oh no! I'm dead. 191 front side. I wasn't even fully deployed. I got 191. I saw a Dominator 1. It just sucked up an entire house. I got 191 miles an hour.
191? I think this thing is coming at me. I don't know.
Yeah, it's coming right at you, I believe.
Yeah, I see it.
It destroyed everything in its path.
Oh shoot, that house is gone.
Are you trying to do the thing where you can get your footings in the ground?
Yes.
Oh god, you're screwed.
I think this is coming right at me now. No.
It's right on top of you, I think.
Let me drop down my probes and oh shoot. Yup, this I gotta.
You right?
I missed it a little. Nah, that's still a good one. I got 195.
Did you intercept it?
226 on the edge. 226.
Did you intercept it?
No, I couldn't do it in time. I got 226.
Yo,
how is that Dominator one?
Did that Dom one intercept it?
Nah, not really. It got the edge. But that's
yo,
like
that Dom. I respect that Dom 1 for trying.
Oh, now it's the toothpick.
So if I can withhold. Hold on, I can't check until I get on this road right here.
In Kaiser.
Core 300? Somebody just said Core is 300.
If I got core, my probe probably would have been destroyed.
I need to check how much I can withstand.
My probes.
I can withhold 225. 225.
I can withhold anything that comes towards me.
This Dom 3 is cooked before me, bro. There's another Dom 3 up there.
I need to hurry up. Come on, dog. Doggy house. Ooh. This turned into a Sidewinder.
Yeah, I see that.
This Dom 3 is cooked. I am cooked. Oh no.
Okay, so I need to...
Yo, move!
Why is it going so far upwards? These TIVs that are deploying are not completely right, because it's shifted, like...
I just got 185.
It's shifted a lot, like...
This Dom is cooked.
I might drop down here.
Take cover now. Take cover now.
Drop down! Drop down!
Oh, please get in the ground. Yo, I can't even see if it's in the ground. Is it in the ground?
No, not yet. It's in the ground.
This storm is capable of producing strong
But the thing is, we kind of
I see that. I see that.
How much did you pick up? Oh yeah, now I'm... Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I'm good.
I'm on the floor now.
You...
Is there a new rotation forming? There might be. I'm gonna go to that new rotation that's forming. Because...
Oh, I'm gonna try to intercept this. Never mind. I'm gonna die. New rotation at Starbucks. Oh. I just swerved.
Yeah, there's a hook forming down near Starbucks. It's already down there! It's already formed! It's severe warned! That thing's been formed!
Kaiser is in a raps pole right now.
That tornado's been formed! My god!
It's already pink.
Yeah, we need to get down there quick. We might not even make it.
Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado.
Shoot, man.
Extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or
Sign.
tornado. Take cover now. This storm is capable of
Yeah, we gotta go.
violent tornadoes. Take cover immediately if you're in the path of this storm.
I might pull out. I might.
You go get it.
Pull out Dodge Charger.
Alright. So. Yeah, we're not making it to this tornado, I don't think. We might.
Nope, it's already going to zero. Wait, no, we actually might. Oh shoot.
Yeah, we might.
If we like take them, we're already at prior.
Oh shoot, we have to get off here. I forgot.
I'm just jumping up.
I know the exact way to go. Just need to get off here.
Don't mind me. Come on, Doghouse, respawn.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has
Oh, I think I see you.
Yeah, it shifted perfectly to where I thought it was gonna go.
Oh, this Dodge Charger just zooming past me. Crashed into my car.
Oh my god, it's so wide.
think I can get a good interception? Oh,
Maybe. If you can get your footings down, for sure.
I mean, I don't think it's
That
wider
thing has
than
a massive wind field. It's gonna hit the water tower.
The water tower might be gone.
The water tower is gonna be gone.
Purple pixels. Oh, let's just wait for this water tower to go.
The water
It's time.
tower's inside the tornado.
Verocro might be cooked. No, Verocro is cooked. Shifted right.
Shoot, man. Shoot, man.
Let me get ready to deploy. I think this is like a very wide cone. Wait, it might be wider. Nope, it's a wedge. Yeah, it's a wedge.
I'm going over here. I'm going over here to get an intercept. That way I can actually get some good wins.
Oh! Think I'm intercepting this?
I'm getting wins! I'm getting wind field!
Probably need to drop down right here.
I'm going up a little bit.
By the way, I do not have a mess on it, so
No!
I don't. Oh, dude, they're not in the ground.
I'm gone! Wait, I'm alive! Wait, no! Wait.
I don't.
Get a probe down! Get a probe down! No! No! Get a probe down!
So.
Before I die, get 2 probes down.
Come on, hurry up, bro.
I got 2 probes down. I need to get to the TIV. I'm getting to this other TIV for shelter.
Shoot.
Okay, I'm in the other TIV. I'm in the other TIV.
I think.
Are you gone? Are you gone?
Yo, why are my things dropping?
My TIV got a call.
Oh,
I just saw you go flying. My TIV got a core intercept. 173 my probe just got.
Let's just say my
I know you got launched. I know you did. My probes are getting backside winds.
Look at the warning box.
Oh my god. 198. My back probes got backside 198.
I'm pretty sure this is
204.
right here.
When my probes got 204.
Pretty sure
Dom 1's flying. Dom 3's flying. Dom 3's flying over here.
Oh. Never mind. 215.
Wait, I'm in the car with Kaiser. Kaiser's the one that saved me.
You can take my car if you want, sir.
I'm alright, man. I got my own TIV. I got my own TIV. Don't worry. I got my own TIV. I had to get new probes for the TIV as well. Crap. I'm getting 2 hit per instrument probes because those get some good money and they give accurate readings.
Probably gonna get 1 TIV hammer probe and I'm gonna get 2.
Yeah.
Let me place one of my hammers down.
Somebody got 272 in global chat.
I'm sorry, is he saying El Reno EF67? How do I open a garage?
I don't know.
Look what I said. Click on it. Oh, my my HITRP. Oh, Doghouse, you do not need to be drifting right now. It's not good for your mental okayness.
Oh, it's dead. It's dead ahead of me.
I need to hurry up and buy this HI3R. Turn. Oh shoot. It's 8:43 p.m. Yes, I can get it. We're on the
I'm
exact
driving into
opposite.
it. I'm driving into the backside. That's not a good idea.
Wait, are we on the same road? No.
The National Weather Service has issued a
I see this Twisted probe truck with all the Twisted power.
Oh my god! I saw
Oh,
190.
I just put it in park because I was getting wind field.
I'm getting error. I'm getting error. I got error. I got taken for a second. Backside winds are insane. I'm getting error. I'm getting error. Put her in park. Put her in park. Put her in park.
I remember when I used to use Twisted's tower probes. Thank you.
Yeah.
At least they made money. They were just not strong enough.
I'm getting error. I don't know. It's trying to drag me in. It's trying to drag me in.
Wait a minute. Twisted's tower probes are too expensive. I know they give a lot of money, but like, it's too expensive.
Yeah.
This scout is still alive. It's just funny seeing scouts roaming around, knowing they're gonna get taken if they try to intercept.
I might be able to get an intercept, but oh, it's right next to me.
Another
Oh
point.
no, I think I'm gonna get error. Error! I'm gone! Put it in park, put it in park, deploy inside the tornado. Deploy inside the tornado. I'm inside of the tornado. I'm inside of the I think I'm in the core.
I'm using the back camera, bro.
I'm inside. Front flap
Give me
going
the
down.
other camera.
185, 190, error. Spikes are going
I don't
in.
want to use this camera.
190.
I want to use the other one.
I survived. I survived. Oh my god.
locations impacted include Cherokee Village,
I actually survived that. I thought I was dead.
making it extremely difficult to see.
Wait, let me deploy the footings and maybe I can use the front camera.
Take cover now.
I'm gonna
Wait
go
a
ahead and
minute.
shoot a rocket probe into that thing. Let's get the Dominator 3 out. I'm gonna shoot a rocket probe into that thing. I want to see how much I get. Let's rotate it.
Hey, look at me. My name's Say. You can see me on. Wait, are these in the ground? Not a lot. Yeah, that's. I wouldn't say that's in the ground.
Rocket probe is shot in the tornado, I think. It's not. No,
climbing
it's
on the
not.
ladder.
It's not in the tornado. It just got backside. Oh, it's getting decent backside winds.
Wait, maybe I need to switch. But how do I switch between cameras? Oh, there's a lot of cameras. I got the. Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, how many Is that you drifting?
That's me and the Dominator 3, yeah.
Hey, don't crash into me.
No, I'm getting 2010 TIV2 back out. Because according to me, there's another tornado right now. We should go.
Yup, I see on my Doghouse cam. Let me undeploy
Yo,
my vehicle.
that's built like the Joplin tornado, I think. Well, it looks like
Which
the Joplin.
The one we just intercepted?
No, this new one. new and looks like the Joplin.
Person may be slow, but I don't know about the tornado. What? Why would I want to know the speed on his?
Alright.
Not this, his.
Alright, we're gonna get one last intercept, and then I'm going to end the video off because I gotta go somewhere soon.
Ooh, it's been 30 minutes of recording.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, guys, I am saving up for a tornado attack.
And I'm currently saving up for Dominator 1.
Yes. Let me see how much Dom 1 costs. Wait, it might cost the same as nope, it costs 100k. I got 45 more k than you. Oh,
yeah.
Is this you?
Yeah,
Nope.
I'm way in front of you. I'm still in 2000. I'm still in 2010 too.
Oh yeah, I forgot. $174, $214.
Alright, I'm taking a right here.
I have to follow the TIV too. Well, Kaiser drag pole. It's still down there.
I'm going to get a good intercept on this thing.
It's nice. I might be able to get an intercept as well.
For sure you will.
Moving east at 70 miles per hour for Hazelton. Locations impacted include Hiram, Almora, Meadville. A violent tornado is on track to impact portions of Hazelton. To see, do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
I take A.
It could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter.
Core 221. I can survive that. I can withstand 225.
Oof. Oh, this rack spawn.
Will offer no shelter from this tornado.
Where are you going? I don't know where I'm going. I just have to do my duty.
I'm trying to get an intercept in this thing.
I might not be able to get probes down.
I should be able to. If I stick it right here, it's going way back actually. Hold on.
It's thin.
I should go right here.
Oh, it shifted.
My peanut butter crackers.
Wait, did it shift?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I gotta go. Oh, I'm gonna go intercept. Pretty sure this is a V shape. Nah, big tornado. Funkly.
What type of tornado was it? Big tornado Funkly.
It's an orange. It's an orangey TV. It's an orange TV. Doghouse drifts.
Heavy rainfall may... Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm
Yeah.
Can I? Bingo. Holy.
Yeah, it looks like it shifted a little bit. That was a clean drift, you cannot lie.
Whoa. I was low-key in radar.
I'm dropping her down here. Get that probe down. Run to the TIV. Get inside.
Oh no.
What?
My probes are going down. That's funny. Yo, get in. Get in the car. Get in the car, Steve. Oh, I'm in the filming seat. 141.
I got 150. I got 150.
I got 150 as well. I survived. The filming seat saved
I'm gonna take a picture for the thumbnail really quick.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued
I should put Doghouse survives 150.
Medina County
Wait,
North
yo,
Central
this Raxpo, bruh.
Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Sneed. This tornado.
Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end the video off here because I have to get ready to go somewhere.
Okay.
So, I'll be seeing everybody later, and I hope everybody has a good day. Bye, everybody.